Hello, I'm here to review this beautiful phone cover. I'm going to show you two of these beautiful covers here with different versions. Absolutely fantastic. Comes here with a grabber as well. Let's go ahead, show it to you, show how fantastic it is. So here it comes here with this beautiful grabber that's super easy to use, and just to grab the phone and then you're done. Voila, it's already straight ahead again, and it's amazing. Let's go ahead, apply it, and show you how fantastic it is. The two covers looks absolutely stunning. It has here the grabber at the back as well, that you can just install it and use it right away, as you can see here on the top side one. Absolutely, it's so adorable. This is the first one, this is the second one. I applied both of them to show you the difference. Here comes in this absolutely fantastic colors, and you can just hold your hand like that and then leave it to be laying down straight as well. Definitely love them. They are beautiful, shiny, and also adorable, with super easy ways to use them and to hold them, as you can see here. And absolutely I love the design of them as well. I definitely recommend them for everyone. They are super